As part of a lesson on earthquakes, a science class is researching the movement of a nearby fault line. The fault line moved 1 whole 2 over 3 inches during the past year and 1 whole 2 over 3 inches the year before. How far did the fault line move in all? Simplify your answer and write it as a proper fraction or as a whole or mixed number. So this question is very similar to the ones that we've been solving before. We practically know how to solve this. The only difference is that it's phrased as a word problem. So let's get right into it and see how it's done. 1 whole 2 over 3 in the past year, and it moved by the same amount the year before. So we have 1 whole 2 over 3, and I can say that we're multiplying this by 2 since we have this here once and then we have this here twice. We need to add both of these or multiply this by 2 and find out the answer. So if I add 1 whole 2 over 3 to 1 whole 2 over 3, what I will get is, if I add both of these whole numbers first, I have 2 whole here, and 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3, since the denominators are the same, the answer will have the same denominator. And now if I add the numerators together, we have 2 plus 2, which is 4, so 2 whole 4 over 3. But this is incorrect in the sense that we have an improper fraction in this mixed number, which shouldn't be the case. And the way to work around that is take this improper fraction that we have right here and convert it into a mixed number. So let's see how it's done. If I divide both of these numbers, we know that 3 ones are 3, and if I subtract both of these, I'm left with 1. So this number right here is my denominator. This is going to be my numerator, and this one right here, the answer is the whole number. And if I write this down as a mixed number now, what I will have is 1 whole 1 over 3. And now since this fraction right here is a proper fraction, we can say that the mixed number is valid. But we're not done yet. We converted this improper fraction into a mixed number, so now we have to add this back with this whole number that we had found out earlier. So the final answer in that case would be 2 plus 1 whole 2 over 3, in fact 1 whole 1 over 3, which is 2 plus 1 is 3, so 3 whole 1 over 3 is the final answer.